I pray you lend an ear while I locate the residence of a lovely charmer fair. The curling of her yellow locks first stole my heart away, and her place of habitation was down in Logie Bay. 'Twas on a summer's evening this little place I found. I met her aged father, who did me sore confound, saying, if you address my daughter, I'll send her far away, and she never will return again while you're in Logie Bay. 'Twas on the very next morning he went to St. John's Town and engaged for her a passage on a vessel outward bound. He robbed me of my heart's delight and sent her far away, and he left me here downhearted for the Star of Logie Bay. How could you be so cruel as to part me from my love? Her tender heart beats in her breast as constant as a dove. Oh, Venus was no fairer, nor the lovely month of May. May heaven above shower down its love on the Star of Logie Bay. So now I'll go a-roaming, I can no longer stay. I'll search the wide world over in every country. I'll search in vain through France and Spain, likewise America, till I shall sight my heart's delight, the Star of Logie Bay. Now to conclude and finish, the truth to you I'll tell. Between Torbay and Ottercove, 'twas there my love did dwell. The finest girl e'er graced our isle, so everyone did say. May heaven above shower down its love on the Star of Logie Bay.